All right, here we go. All right, everybody. So what is this market going to do? Where are we heading in this market? Okay. Where is this market going? Where are we headed to in this market is a great question. As you know, as everybody can remember, the market is going crazy right now. The past 3 weeks, I think the past 3 weeks, the market has went bananas to the upside, crazy. Okay. So what we want to know now is where are we headed to and where are we going? Where are we headed to? Where are we going? Because right now we're at a place. The link is in my bio. Go to my bio. You will see my YouTube link. So right now we're in a place in the market. We're in that 450 area. Okay. Now with us being in this 450 area, we've been in the 450 area before. Okay. We've been in this 450 area before. Back in January. Back in July 2023. We were right at 459, I want to say. And from July 2023 all the way to October 2023, the market went from 459 and it dropped all the way down to 409 in a matter of what's that? 3 months? In a matter of 3 months. Good morning, Mr. Opion. Good morning, Toya. Good morning, Scorpio. Good morning, Mr. Renita. Good morning, Tammy. How y'all doing? So the market drastically fell down. Okay, went down like crazy. So now we've bounced off of that 409 low, and in 3 weeks, everybody, not 3 months, 3 weeks, we have now bounced off of that level, that low level, and we're right back up to the 450s. Okay, right back up to the 450s. All right. And the beautiful thing about it is the location where we're currently sitting at. We have not been past this location, I think, since 2022. So we haven't broken 459 since 2022, everybody. It's crazy. I think it's April 2022 to be exact. I'm going to double check. But I say that to say this. Where are we going? I'm going to show you. If you're on YouTube, if you're on Instagram, you want to see my screen, jump over to my YouTube channel. Jump on over to my YouTube channel if you want to see my screen if you're on Instagram right now. Okay, so where are we going is the great question. Big question. Big boy question. Right? So we know to the upside, we do have some resistance. We do have some things that's trying to keep us down from breaking through that upside. We do know there's room to the downside because we just went up almost 40 points in 3 weeks. Right? So where are we going? Let's take a look at it, right? I'm going to pull up my screen. So if you're on Instagram right now, you want to see my screen, jump it over to my YouTube channel. The link is in my bio. The link is in my bio, okay? The link is in my bio. So where are we heading to? Let me pull up my screen 1 second. All right. So we're going to Q4, right? We're in Q4 of the season, of the year. And the market, we have probably about 20 plus days left of trading for the month. For the year. All right. 20 plus days worth of trading for the year. I want to say I'm estimating right now, but we're getting close to the end of the year. And hopefully everybody had a great year trading, a decent year trading. If this is your first year, congratulations on making it through your first year. If this is not your first year, congratulations on making it through another year. Okay. So just congratulations all around. I'm trying to pull up my screen right quick. 1 second. I want to show you guys something. It's very interesting, right? I just want to show you guys. The place that we're currently at in this market is a pivotal level, key level. All right, there we go. All right, here we go. All right, so let me share my screen with you right quick. Let's go through it. So I base the market off of SPY, everybody, SPY. That's what I base the market off of, okay? So since April of 2022, everyone, April of 2022, we have been at a level. April 4th of 2022, we have not broken this level, what we're currently trying to break, all right? It's a supply zone, and we have not broken this level, we haven't broken this level since what? Actually, we haven't been above this level since January of 2022. Okay, so we have not been above the level that we're trying to break, based at 460 area. We have not broken above that level since January of 2022. Almost 2 years. 2 years on the S&P 500. Okay, almost 2 years. Can everybody still hear me? If you can still hear me, can everybody still hear me? On YouTube, can you guys hear me right now? If you can hear me, put a 1 in the chat. If you can hear me, put a 1 in the chat. If you can hear me, put a 1 in the chat. Okay? So right now, I want to go back to the week time frame. Okay, perfect. Beautiful. Thank you. Let's go back to 2022. Okay? So this level right here, April 4th, right around here, this level right around here, where we're currently sitting at, this level has not been broken since 2022. Right around here in like April 2022. I mean, January 2022. But we have a supply zone right here at 450, right around 451, or basically 454, somewhere around that area, to 460. Just know the top of it is 460. And we have not broken this zone. And that's where we currently are right now. So the data is telling us whenever the market comes to this level right here, over the past 2 years, the price rejects this level. The price rejects this level, and it starts to push down. So if we look right here, if we go back to January, or let's start right here at April of 2022. We're right here, April of 2022. The price comes to this level right here, comes to this 460 area. What does it do? It rejects this level 460, and it falls all the way down to 364. The stock market fell 100 points. Okay? Then we attempted to come back up here. We fell short right here at this 430 mark, and we fell right back down to 350 around October of 2022. Then from October 2022, we went crazy and bounced off of this level of 350, went all the way up here, back up here to 460. Boom, right around 460. When we hit this 460 area, what was next? When we hit this 460 area, what did we do? We fell back down here to 410, which was current day. This was October 2023. And then from October 2023, we've bounced over the past 3 to 4 weeks, and we're coming right back up here to the top, going towards 460. And right now we're roughly around $7 away from being at 460. If we break a 460, everybody, and stay above 460, this market will potentially see a 500 spot. We will potentially see a 500 spot, everybody. And that's crazy. My volume is low. Let me see. Let me see what's going on. 1 second. What about now? Is it low now? It's still low? Interesting. Let's see why my volume low. All right. What about now? Are we low now? We good? Okay, perfect. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. So right here, we're approaching this 460 area. Approaching 460 area. Okay? Appreciate it. What is that? Pay Z, 2K, no K. Appreciate it, man. So we're approaching this level right now, this 460 level. When we hit this 460 level, the question is, where are we going? If we break above this 460 level and hold on to this level, that means, everybody, we will potentially see a 500 SPY in 2020. I say 2024, latter part of 2024, potentially. I believe we have a great run inside in us if we break above 460 on SPY. So the question is, what's keeping us away from a 460, breaking above this 460 SPY? My personal opinion, the only thing that's keeping us away from a 460 SPY is the Jerome Powell. Jerome Powell and the Feds. Okay? Jerome Powell and the Feds are the only thing that's keeping us away from a 460 SPY. And why is that? The reason why this is true is because when Jerome Powell speaks again, he's going to be asked a certain question. Okay? That question is, are we done raising rates? Are we going to have rate cuts? That's the question. And his response is going to drive the market either up or down. Either up or down. And the reason why the market is running so crazy right now is because Jerome Powell basically was very, very bullish. And when he spoke the last time at the FOMC meeting, and the market believes that we will have rate cuts happening very, very soon. Over the course of 2024, the market is pricing in rate cuts is going to happen. If rate cuts happen, what does that mean? People can get access to more money. People can buy houses because the mortgage rates are going to drop. People can get all these things because rates are going to drop. Therefore, they will potentially have more money. And when you have more money, companies do what? Companies can spend more money. Well, companies gain more money because people are spending more money. So that's why the market is going so crazy right now. Okay? Okay? Because it's going to be crazy. So these are opportunities, right, that I want you guys to focus heavily on what Jerome Powell is doing. So if you guys do not know who Jerome Powell is, that's Jerome Powell. He's the Federal Reserve Chairman. Okay, Google his name whenever he's speaking. Listen for what he's talking about, because he's going to be able to move the market. All right, he's going to be able to move the market. All right. Now, in the meantime, what do we foresee for the end of the year? By the end of the year, where do we think we're going? I personally believe by the end of the year, the market is going to take a break. I believe the market is going to take a break. And when I say take a break, that means we have probably about right around 20 some odd days left in the market. And with these 20 some odd days left in the market, I think we may get some consolidation. Some days we may get some get some runs up. Some days we may get some push downs. But overall, I do not think, my personal opinion, I do not believe we're going to close 2024 above 460. I have to go back and verify and see if Jerome Powell is going to be speaking anywhere beforehand, but hopefully, I don't think that I don't know if he's speaking beforehand, but if he's not speaking, I believe the market is going to take a chill pill, okay? Because everybody, what this market has done over the course of the past 3 weeks, 4 weeks, is freaking insane. Like, it's insane. So I do think the market's going to take a breather, take a break, and kind of just gather its thoughts, get back together, and then we should see in 2024, we see it kind of going crazy. Okay, we can see it going crazy. You have to I don't see You have to click on my link tree and you will be able to see it in my bio. Click on that link tree in my bio and then you will see it. Let's see. We got some questions here. Pays to no K. Got it. That's dope. That's dope, K. Pays to no K. Dope. Could I jump on this in Forex? I trade options, not necessarily Forex, but the way I break down my technical analysis, yes, you can use it for Forex. Good morning, Octavius Israel. Good morning. Good morning, Trini. How you doing? All right, so everybody, so right now that's where we are. We're sitting around like 453 right now per 450. We're right around 453 right now, with the market being open currently. Okay. This is gonna be interesting, everybody. Very, 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 very interesting. Very, very interesting. Okay. Let me show you guys one more thing right quick before we jump off. Take a look right here. Small things to pay attention to, right? So the last time we came into this zone right here, trying to break that 460 price, we actually came right here to 459, right here, to 459.35. Okay, 459.35. So what we're looking for, we're looking to see what's going to happen when it comes to this 459.35. If it makes it up there. How it's looking right now, it's going to make it, it will potentially make it up there how it's looking right now because the market is going bananas. But we're looking to see what happens when it goes to that price. Okay? As you can see, the market is very overbought. The market is overbought right now. Chris, what does the market being overbought mean? That means the people have bought into these stocks and all that good stuff, and it's overbought. Normally, when a stock is overbought, we do see the stock market start to, slow down some. Okay? We start seeing it slow down. So right now, everybody, right now is not the time. Listen to what I'm about to tell you. Right now is not the time to start jumping in call options and call 2-year call options or 1-year call options. Right now is not the time. If you're already in one, great. But if you're trying to get into one, you're getting in at a high price. You're getting in at a high price. Wait for a pullback. Wait for a drawback, right? Wait for a pullback. And then enter in my personal opinion. I'm glad you said that in rich ways. Today is Nvidia earnings. Okay? Today is Nvidia earnings. Nvidia earnings. All right, today is Nvidia earnings. Back in May of 2023, when Nvidia placed its when Nvidia earnings happened, May of 2023, a few months ago, people made thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars overnight because Nvidia went crazy to the upside. So today, after the market opens or after the market closes, Nvidia will release their earnings and we will see how their earnings went. Personally, I believe, not today or not in the near future, I believe Nvidia has the potential to go to go up to $800. Nvidia is currently sitting around $500. It's going bananas. It's going crazy. If you're in Nvidia, congratulations, right? So it's going. I believe Nvidia can go up to like an 800. I believe Nvidia is taking the place of Tesla as far as that stock that just goes crazy. In 2023, Nvidia has went crazy. And I believe that it's taking the place of Tesla as far as gaining that cult following, right? That cult following that just will, anytime Nvidia has any type of news, it just goes bananas. And that's what Nvidia has been doing all of 2020, all of 2023, right? So this is what I want to show you guys right quick. Let me pull this up on the screen. Let me show you guys something. If you would have purchased, I'm going to go to on demand. I'm going to buy some Nvidia. Somebody put in the chat, right? Put in the chat how much money you want me to spend. So January, beginning of January, right? If I would have purchased Nvidia at the beginning of January, say for a 1 year let's say a 1 year contract, right? 1 year contract, 2 year contract. How much money do you want me to spend? Somebody put in the chat. Put it on Instagram. Put it on YouTube. Either one. How much money do you want me to spend? I'm finna show you guys an example of how much money Nvidia would have made you if you would have bought a contract in January. How much money do you want me to spend? Put it in the chat. Put it in the YouTube or Instagram chat. How much money do you want me to spend on this purchase I'm about to buy? And on-demand trading is basically when you put money into the market. I mean, you can go back any day and trade the market. Okay, go back any day in the past and trade the actual market. Okay. All right. Britt Dunham said no. Somebody said 4,000. Elena said it first. So Elena Peterson said $4,000. Okay, we're gonna do $4,000. So let's go back to Nvidia. Boom, boom, boom. All right, and we're gonna go back to January. January 2023. Let's do the 5th, and we're going to go back to all right, 10 in the morning. All right, so I want to show you guys right now. What I'm about to show you is this. I'm about to show you. Somebody said do something more realistic. Okay, so this is what I do. I do $1,000 in. Okay, I do 1,000. I do $1,000 instead of 4,000. I do 1,000. Okay, so say somebody put $1,000 into the market in January, and they did let's say they did boom 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 24th. They did a 1 year contract, Okay, and we spent $1,000. I'm gonna come right here, buy 3 contracts right here because they're like $300 a pop. So go to market, and we're spending, that's $840. So I'm gonna spend a little bit more. So buy one more. So we're spending $1,100, everybody. $1,100. If you would have put $1,100 into Nvidia in January of 2023, okay, boom, I'm in a trade now. Okay. Can you guys see my screen? Yeah, you guys see my screen. Okay, boom, I'm in a trade now. All right. So let's now fast forward. We're going to do 2 things. We're going to fast forward. Let's fast forward to, where are we current? Let's go to July 1st. Let's go to July. Say if we fast forward to July 6th. All right. Look down at the bottom of my screen, everybody. See, it's at -20 right now. -$20 right now. Boom, boom, boom. Right here. Let's see what happens if you bought it in January and then you go to July. Let's see what happens. Up here you see it's pre-buffering right here. That means it's trying to get there. Look right here, everybody. Look how much money $1,100 would have made you by being in Nvidia in January. This is why I say Nvidia went crazy this year. That's $47,000, everybody. $47,000. $47,000 Nvidia would have made you. It's all about being in the game, everybody. It's all about just literally being in the game. Okay? Being in the game. Now, let's say if you were still holding it, let's see if we would have made more money or we would have lost some. Let's see. Let's go back to January. So, $47,000 by investing in the video and just letting it sit for a 1 year contract. That's a game. That's truly and honestly a game changer. Yes, bought a call. I think this was strike price 320. It was January 19th. So I bought strike price 320, expiration date January 19th, 2024. Okay. Now let's fast forward to current day. Where would we be right now? I honestly have no idea. So let's see where we'd be right now. Let's go to the 16th. The 16th of what is this? Of November 16th, 2023. Nvidia retired some folks. Exactly. Nvidia definitely retired some folks. A lot of folks. Good geesh. A lot of people made some good money off Nvidia. I really wish I would have got in January. I wish I would have got it in January. Let's see. $67,000, everybody. Look right here. If you would have put $1,000 into Nvidia, $1,000 into Nvidia on January of 2023, last week you would have had $67,000 in your trading account by doing absolutely nothing, by simply coming into the stock market, pressing a few buttons, getting into Nvidia on a 1-year contract and saying, I'm going to let it sit. Now, does something like this happen? Not every single year. Right? It doesn't happen every year. But who cares if it happens every year? What if it happens that year? It happens, right? Goes crazy. $67,000 off an $1,100 investment. Look, $1,100 investment. That means you have a 6,300% increase. Crazy. Crazy. That's how Nvidia went crazy this year, everybody. Crazy. Okay? So anyway, everybody, so listen. If you're not in the stock market, get into the stock market. Okay? If you're not in the stock market, I spent $1,100. I think there was $2 a piece. No, $3 a piece. They were $3 a piece per contract. What's going on, William? How you doing, man? How you doing, Miss Woods? Yeah, on Thinkorswim, go to on demand trading. It's inside of live trading. So you log in under live trading, then you go to on demand trading, and you're good. And you're good, and you're good. So $1,100, everybody. What about $67,000? Listen, that's $67,000. You only got to trade one. You only place one trade for the whole year. Okay, if you only place one trade for the whole year, you made $67,000. But anyway, listen. If you're on here and you're in my Promised Land trading group, let's jump on over to my YouTube. We're about to start, not YouTube, but my Zoom link. We're about to start trading live over there for the day. If you're in my Promised Land group, go ahead and jump over to our Zoom link. We're about to start trading live. Also, everybody, if you are not a trader and you want to become a trader, December the 4th through December the 8th is my next 5-day mastermind. You're absolutely right, Elena Peterson. You're absolutely right. Fourth is people. Different people have different realities, right? Some people may have a 500 to 1,000 reality. Some people may have a 10,000 to a 20,000 reality. Whichever one, right? In the stock market, doesn't even matter though. In the stock market, doesn't matter what your reality is, right? Because you can start trading with $500. You can start trading with $200. You start trading $100. Okay. But if you want to learn how to trade stock options, December 4th is my last mastermind of the year. Okay, the last mastermind of the year, December the 4th through December the 8th, I'm going to be showing you guys how to trade stock options from A to Z. Everything that I do on a day-to-day basis to trade stock options, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Okay, the description is in the link is in the description box below in this video. Also, if you're on YouTube, just type in the word. If you're on Instagram, type in the word mastermind. If you're on Instagram, type in the word mastermind, and I will send you the link to register for that class. The price is $297 for regular admission and $497 for VIP. Okay, so that's a 5-day mastermind. And in this mastermind, what I do is I take the time with you. We spend about 3 to 4 hours a day together, and we're trading. And I'm teaching you how to trade. We're going over the details of the principles inside of the course. Then we're going trading live the next morning. Every morning we trade live together. Okay, and this is a live class via Zoom, live on Zoom. So type in the word mastermind on Instagram if you want to join the upcoming mastermind. If you're on YouTube, the link is in the description box of this video. I will see you guys in there. But everybody right now, if you're in my trade, if you're in my inner circle, you're in my Promised Land group, let's jump on over to my YouTube, my not Instagram, but my Zoom link, and let's start trading live together, everybody. All right, everybody, listen, you guys have a good one. All praise to the Most High.